How to deal with all the sound settings on Redmi 14C. First, go to the Settings menu and find Sound and Vibration. Here you'll find the volume for different types of sound, media, ringtone and alarm. Just drag the slider to the desired level. To change the ringtone, go to the corresponding subsection. Here you can choose a standard ringtone, also set your own or download something new from the store. You can also choose the sounds for calendar and for notifications. Silent mode allows you to turn off the sound completely. It comes in handy when you need silence everywhere, even for media. Do not disturb mode is easy to customize. You can turn off the sound for all reminders, for incoming calls and notifications. You can turn it off only when the device is locked. Also, you can apply calls, for example, only for your favorite contacts. For vibration and sound effect settings, go back and find these options. You can turn on vibration for calls or vibration in silent mode, and also you can choose the intensity of the vibration. It can be turned off, it can be light, medium or strong. The sound effects section includes Xiaomi signature sounds and also a graphic equalizer with different presets to tailor the sound. If you use wired headphones, you can customize their buttons on the Redmi 14C. This will allow you to adjust the volume level, switch tracks, and even assign certain functions to the buttons when the headphones are plugged in. And the additional settings allow you to fine-tune notifications and manage media sounds for different applications. It is also convenient to manage multiple audio streams, for example, for screen click sounds, screen lock, screenshots, application removals, and sound when the charger is connected. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.